students, we are continuing lesson number 6, slide organization in PowerPoint. Children, last time we discussed how can we change slide layout and how can we just move the object on a slide. Children, slide layout is a way to place the objects on a slide like text object, tables, charts. We can just place the position of pictures, shapes, clip arts. And we want anytime we can change the slide layout of our slides. To change the slide layout, we use normal view or slide sorter view, and we use just layout button located on a slides group of home tab. When we click on a layout button, it shows various types of layouts. We can select any layout and change the layout of our slide. If we like to just place the objects according to us, we can use blank slide layout. Rearranging the slides in outline tab. Children, we can rearrange the slides. Rearrange means we can change the order of slide. Slide that is coming on 5th number, if you want to just show at 2nd number, we can change their order. To change the order, we use outline tab or slide sorter view. To just start the outline view, we use outline view button that is located on the presentation view group of view tab. When we click on a view tab, we see presentation view groups coming. On that group there is a outline view button. We click on the outline view button. It shows the outline of all the slides. It only shows text. It is not showing other objects like tables, word art, shapes, etc. And to change their order, we simply click on a slide icon and we will drag the mouse pointer to some other position. We can also use slide sorter view to rearrange the slides. Children, slide sorter view shows the miniature view of all the slides, and we see slide number also comes at the bottom of view like slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. Also, it is very easy in the slide sorter view to just copy, move the objects. Now to change the order, we simply click on the slide and we will drag it to some other position. This way we can change the order of slides and organize our slides. Now we will understand how can we edit the text object. Children, editing means making changes in the content. We can add some text. If we want, we can just delete some text from the existing text. Now to just edit the text object, we will just come to the normal view or we can use outline view. Now in normal view, children, we will click on the text. When we click on the text, placeholder comes. जब भी हम text पे click करते हैं तो placeholder आ जाता है. Now we will click inside the placeholder, cursor will come and we will type our text here. We will delete some text and we will click on the save button to save the changes. So children, this way we can edit the text. Moving object. Children, if you want, we can move the objects like image, charts from one place to another place, from one slide to another slide. To move the object, we use placeholders. Now we will understand how can we move the object on the same slide. Children, to move the object on the same slide, we just click on the object, and when our mouse pointer changes into the four-headed arrow, we will drag to other place. As you can see, we have just changed the place of text object on our slide. To move the object from one slide to another slide, children, we use cut and paste options located on a clipboard group. First of all, we will click on the object and then we use a cut button, and then we come to the next slide and we use a paste button that is also located on a clipboard group. We will see the object will disappear from original slide and come to the present slide. So this way we can move the objects. Now we will understand how can we copy the object. Children, copy means creating a duplicate copy of object. Now to copy any object on a same slide or between the slides or one presentation to another presentation, we use copy and paste button located on a clipboard group. Children, copy option never remove the object from its original location. It only creates duplicate copy. To copy the object, first of all we will select the object and we will click on a copy button that is on the clipboard group. If we like, we can also use shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus C. And now we will come to the another slide where we have to copy the object, and we use paste button, or we will use shortcut key Ctrl plus V. We will see object will be pasted. Now the object will be pasted on the new slide also, and it will be also available on the original slide. So this way we can copy the object. To delete the text object, what we will do, we will just use the delete key. First of all, we will click on the placeholder of the text object and we will press the delete key. That text object will be deleted. Now children, we will understand how can we insert a word art object. Children, word art is what? It is a feature that allows us to create special text effects. Using word art, we can make the text curved, little bit wavy, shadow. We can also apply 3D effects to our text. And to insert a word art, what we will do, we will use word art button. Word art button is located on the text group of insert tab. When we click on a word art button, we just see that word art gallery will open on the screen and we can select any word style that we like and we'll just click on it. When we click on it, we will see placeholder will appear on the slide. Now we have to just click on the text and we will type the new word like definition, and it will appear in the selected style on our slide. So this way we can insert the word art object in our slide. Thank you.